afternoon. We're in North Carolina. We had to do a little bit of maintenance to the trucks, and so now I am going to show you how the cow catcher gets put on. My boys thought it would be funny to put the cow catcher on the hood of the truck because I am so super short. It's beautiful and sunny here. I love it. It's a great weekend. It's nice to come down south and get some sunshine. But as you can see, the cow catcher is up on top of the Krazy Train. We got this bracket right here that holds it on to the train. It's flexible, so if it hits the cars, it doesn't break, usually. Sometimes it does. There, I got it, even though they put it on the hood. Have a great day.